Hi friends, I am Monal and today I am presenting my QuickBill project to all of you. So let's start. So this is the main screen and these are some features of the QuickBill like the instant invoicing, payments, stock management, admin panel, email, customer management, GST and tax handling. Also it is available for cross-platform. So get started with it. This is the login page. Here we can do the admin login if we are new, then we can create account and then login, and also the Google sign in is also available. So this is the main dashboard of the user. So here we can see some features like start billing. Below that some show cards showing the customers, bills, revenue and stock items. Some quick actions for add customers, generate bill, and some recent activities showing the recent customers and recent bills. So before going to start billing, we see the customers. Here it is the customer management. We can see all the customers available. There are total 14 customers available. The stock, we see this total item 32, low stock 12, total categories 4. So in each category, these are the food items, these are the grocery items, these are some stationery items, and these are some electronics items. So these red means the low stock items. In the generate bill, a user is able to generate the bill from this form. Also, a user can see the bill, means previously generated bill. Like suppose I click on Sunita Patil, then I'm able to view the bill. The bill looks like this. We can see that the total items she bought and the bill, the total price. Also we can delete the bill also here. So let's start the billing. So this is the page for adding the new customer in the store. So if I try to add customer name Prajakta, so Prajakta is already available, so it automatically fills all the fields. Then add the customer and proceed. So this is the billing dashboard. Here we can see that the customer details, a form to add the product details. We can see the customer joined date, the type of customer, product category, product name, quantity, unit, discount. We can fill it and we can see the product table. After adding the product is shown here. Also the payment method, that cash, card or online. Then if I try to add the any product, suppose it's a milk, so category is food, product name is milk, the price is 68, total available items are 40. So milk quantity 2, unit is liter, so it is shown here. If I select it, then I'm able to delete it. So now generate the bill. So This is the finally generated bill. We can see the billing details like a merchant, that is a Monal Sutar, and the shipping details means the customer name, customer phone number, customer email. We can see the product details, the price, total amount. So we can make the bill payment from here also. I am using the Razorpay, which is in a test mode. Payment, the payment successful alert is shown. We can send the bill email also. Here I am showing the demo email of QuickBill, how it looks like. So we can see the product details and the bill total amount. So we can print it also. Then we can add the new customer or log out. So now I am showing another feature of a QuickBill, that is a PWA. I'm used PWA here, that is a progressive web app. So it allows to install this QuickBill in your system. So here I can see that opening app option means it is downloaded, and I am using it as a desktop application here. So it works as same as it works on the Chrome browser. So here we can do the login. I am showing here the admin login. From the admin panel, admin can manage the products, update the stock, check the customer bills, and see all important records in one clean dashboard. So admin can add the new items, change its price, remove the old products, and track all sales happening through the app. So it helps to admin to monitor the daily activity. So the admin can quickly see what's going in the shop. So basically the admin panel makes the whole system organized, easy to handle, and fully under the admin's control. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the QuickBill demo. Please share your honest reviews, feedback, or any suggestions you have. It really helps me to improve this project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.